Hey everyone, this is Peter here from Inworld. I'm introducing our new integration project for 8thWall, Rainbow Crunchies. It's an augmented reality mobile application that uses an image to track and project our 3D mascot Iniquin. In this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to clone and set up the project in your own workspaces. This video assumes you already have an Inworld AI and 8thWall account. Let's begin. To start, navigate to the project's homepage on 8thWall. You can find the direct link in the description for this video below. Click on the Clone Project button here. If you already have an 8thWall account with multiple workspaces, click on the drop-down box here and select the workspace you wish to clone the project into. Give the project a name, call it Rainbow Crunchies Dev, and a title, Rainbow Crunchies Tutorial, and click on the Create button. Once the project has finished cloning on 8thWall, you'll be taken to the editor screen. From here, you might notice this error down below right away. Don't worry about that. We'll be fixing that error in a later state. On the left-hand side of the navigator, the first thing we want to do is click on README. This is the documentation that covers the project and then setting it up. We won't be reviewing that for now. If you click on the preview button up here, since it's a markdown file, this is actually bringing the display version of the document. We're going to scroll down to the very first step in the documentation. In this tutorial, we are going to cover actually cloning the Rainbow Ray character in Inworld. You can also create your own character and use that, but for this tutorial, we're going to be cloning the character. This token ID at the very end here is what we're going to need. So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to go over to the Inworld Studio and create that workspace in our Inworld account. Now, from your Inworld Studio's character page, what we're going to want to do is go up here to the Change button for your workspace, click on that, and then under here, under Import Export, click on that, paste the token that we copied from the previous step into here, and click on Import. And this is going to copy the Rainbow Ray workspace into your personal account. Go to the workspace. So for the next step, what we're going to be doing is copying our Inworld information from Inworld over to the 8thWall website. If we go up to here and open up the website, we go down here on the left-hand side to the modules section. If this isn't open, you can open up a little more, click on the module itself. This will open up the module configuration screen. If you have anything already input in the fields, you can feel free to delete them for now. So what we're going to be gathering is our Inworld integration API key, API secret, and also the character scene ID and the character ID itself. So if we go back up here to Inworld Studio, we hover over the Rainbow Ray character, click on More, click on Character ID for integrations to copy it, go back to the 8thWall tab, and down here we can paste that key into the Character ID section. Go back to Inworld. On your left-hand side of the Inworld page, down here under Scenes, click on Scenes. Under the Rainbow Ray character, on the far right here, click on Copy Machine Readable ID for integration here. Go back to 8thWall. Go to the Scene ID, click on that, and paste that in there. Now back to Inworld Studio. Down here on the left-hand side, under Integrations, click on that. Then scroll down to API keys. By default, you won't have a key created for a new character, so you'll have to generate a new key. Click on that. Under Key, click on Copy API Key. Then go back to 8thWall page. Paste that into the API key field. Go back to Inworld Studio. Click on the secret, Copy API Secret button here. Back to 8thWall. Paste that in here. And then at the top here, click on Save and Build. To note that it can take a few seconds after you put the API key secret in place for it to register. If you click on Save and you still get this build failed error down below, just wait a few seconds and click on Save again, and you should see build complete afterwards. Now to test this project, you need a QR code reader on a mobile device. You go up here to Preview, click on Preview. This will generate a QR code that your mobile device will open, and then you can test out the project live. Once you have the app launched on your mobile device, you're going to need to use the image tracker, which can be found in the README. On the left-hand side, click on README, scroll down, and then this image here can be used to scan in and start the experience. We've also provided a link to a larger image for your own integration. If everything is set up right, then it should look something like this.
Yo, what's up, my dude? I heard the party was at your house and I couldn't miss it. I'm Rainbow Ray, the official mascot of Rainbow Crunchies, the most lit cereal in the game.
Well, that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Inworld AI Discord channel and ask us there. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.